Today I'm going to show you how to create the glowing effect to text in Photoshop. First, select the horizontal type tool. Go to window and choose the character. Click the text color box and choose the white color. Just copy these settings below it. Close the character and click on your document and type out your text. Select the Move tool and position the text any way you want. Go to the Layer panel. Right-click on the text layer and choose the Rasterize type. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the layer. Name the copy Text. Name the layer below it Reflection. Press Ctrl-T to select the Free Transform tool, right-click and choose the Flip Vertical. And drag it down. Right-click inside the Free Transform box and choose the Perspective. And pull bottom corners outwards. Right-click and choose the Free Transform. Hold Shift on the keyboard while dragging bottom handle. Hit Enter or Return once you're satisfied. Select the background layer. Click on the adjustment layer icon and the Choose Hue and Saturation. Drag the saturation slider to the left for a duller gray image. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose the exposure. Drag the exposure slider to the left to adjust the highlight in the image. Press Ctrl-J to make a copy of background layer. Move the background copy above text layer. Go to Layer and choose the Create Clipping Mask. Select the text layer. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Select the stroke. Click the stroke color box and choose the white color. Just copy these settings. Select Inner Glow. Click the color box and choose the white color. Just copy these settings. Select Outer Glow. Click the color box and choose the white color. Just copy these settings. When you're done, click OK. Select the reflection layer and change the blend mode to Overlay. Go to Filter, Blur, and choose the Gaussian blur. Increase the radius to 4 pixels. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the layer. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Select the Gradient tool. Click to edit the gradient. Open the Basics preset folder and choose the black and white. Make sure the linear gradient box is chosen. Select the layer mask of reflection copy. Hold Shift on the keyboard and drag out a vertical gradient from bottom to top. And this is the result.